What's up guys, Viper FPV here, and today we have our July 2020 quad box. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to unbox this box, and then I'll give you guys my thoughts of if I thought this box was worth it. So if you don't already know, KWAD is a subscription box. You sign up for about $50 or $45 a month, and they send you a box of goodies all around FPV 5-inch quads mostly. There's also other quad boxes like FPV Crate and also the sub 250 box. So if you're interested in picking one of those up, check out my playlists down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this month's box.
Go ahead and find something to cut with, huh? There you go.
So, let's see if I can put this aside so we don't have this in my face. Looks like we got 3 sets of some T5143 red props from T-Motor. Alright, cool. Always use props. And you always get like a set of props in every box, so. Alright, so it looks like, let's just start with the shirt. Usually I do that last, but since they like to pop out at me. So it looks like for this month's shirt, see if I can get it in front of you guys. You can see that. There you go. Alright, so it looks like someone sitting down, flying their quad. Looks like some weird hang glider guy. Oh, it's kind of cool. I'm not thrilled with it. I had definitely better shirts. I don't really like the color either. But that's this month's shirt for this month. And then it looks like we got, looks like some type of grip of some sort. I'm not sure what it's to though, but let's see if it'll tell me in the thing. And then we also got some stickers, rotorriot stickers. Alright, cool. Oh, and then also the boost. This is the boost for the month. Looks like a Runcam Phoenix. Okay. Runcam Phoenix. I guess it's the Joshua Bardwell edition Phoenix. Okay. So not too impressed this month. I mean, I haven't checked out the Joshua Bardwell version of the camera. So if you're interested in me doing a comparison video with another camera, I do those comparison videos too. So let me know down in the comment section down below what camera you'd like me to make this put up against. And I'll do it here in due time. But that's pretty much it. And now this sticker, I'm trying to figure out what this, okay, just for controller grip, so just for any controller, I guess. Okay. Alright, so that's really it for this month's box. I mean, not too impressed. Definitely have had better. The FPV Crate was definitely an awesome one. Don't forget to check out that video, because I'm giving that box away to a lucky subscriber. So check out that video, should be coming out tomorrow. So, but yeah, so that's this Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.